Very interesting. Okay, this thing is working.
This thing looks live. Wait, is it? Do we
It's
see anything?
alive.
Oh, there it is. Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Look at that,
Hi.
doggy.
The cocaine bee.
Hey, buddy, let the cocaine be.
Tell it to me.
Hey, it worked on Twitter.
Look at that. We're up, dude.
Wow. So how do you get a chat?
Well, you disabled chat on this broadcast.
No.
See if you can go change it.
Yeah, stuff. Are we allowed to
In the
swear at
producer,
this? Of course
right
we
here.
are. Shit stuff.
Can you change audience?
Chat. Just dog me.
All right, start over. There's only like 5 people. Just start over on this one.
Okay, we're starting over 5 people.
Yep. End this broadcast, start a new broadcast. All right, same shit. Chilling and pairing with Daniel. Hi, it's me. Smelled. Okay, audience, this is what you want. Or if you want to just charge your subscribers. All right, very good. Are we up and running?
We are considered to be streaming. We have 0 people, and Adrian found us on YouTube. How did that happen? He said, "What's up, dude? Dude, what is up, dude?"
The subs, dude.
Daniel, you should have a chat thing open so that
I'll keep the chats open. Yeah.
All right. Let me disconnect this here chat. You know what I'll do? Check this out. You just drag it over up there.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. So I've got Twitter chat open, and I've got
all right. Oh, we're back, baby. Isaac Drew.
Back, baby.
We're back.
I'm just searching Livewire on YouTube. See what that gets me. A lot of Christoph Rumpel, a lot of motorcycles.
Right.
What is the
So how do we
URL?
get chat now, dude?
What's the URL for the YouTube? You can hit this little chat button right here.
Chat, baby.
Yeah, there they are.
All right. So then pop out chat.
Chat, let's go.
That's what I'm talking about.
That is what I'm talking about. Pop that baby out.
Oh, I got to do some funny business here.
Sure.
Let me just drag this over. Oh, crap. Yeah, I have that thing enabled on my Mac that makes it impossible to do anything. Like, we're screwed right now.
Yeah, we're done, though.
Because I don't even have the YouTube Studio thing anymore.
Yep, sure.
Oh, good golly.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
All right, yeah, well, you're gonna have to pay attention to the Twitter chat there, okay, bud?
That's fine. Hey, where is the
If I open up this, okay, we're good. All right, so we're streaming now.
Yeah, we are streaming now.
Should
you might
probably
want to tweet
about
the
it, huh?
stream. Yeah,
We tweet the YouTube stream. That's what we
it could
do.
be. Yeah, easily could be.
So we hit share. Let me get my readers.
Wait, you sure we don't tweet the Twitter stream for the Twitter? Or is that its own thing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I can't
Tweet
see the chat on Twitter, so
Sure.
it's just all right. Okay. The tweet has been tweeted.
The tweet's been tweet.
Okay, folks, we went from not knowing how to stream and not having any streaming software on our computers to being basically full-on streaming gods in, 10 minutes, Deke?
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
We're very good at computers.
All right. I'm looking for the tweet still. There it
Hey,
is. Hello.
hey, buddy, let the cocaine be.
Tell to me. All right,
Gotta
very good.
speak
Okay,
about
we've got chatters in both places.
Okay.
Chatters, ahoy.
All right. So, folks,
Folk.
this is why we're here today.
We gather together.
We gather here today. We on the YouTubes too. Yeah. Yeah, we are. A thaco.
Yeah, we are.
Hola, Tomas. So we've gathered you here today.
Mm-hmm.
Because me and Daniel are doing a conference here. It's called Wire Live. You should come.
Wire Live.
If you don't live in the U.S., you should definitely come.
Show them the shirts they can only get by coming to the conference.
Yeah. These are the only way to get this is to show your sweet face. Right here.
Get a load of that.
You want to get zapped? You want to get electrified? Get zapped.
Ranked.
So, day 2 of the conference, we're going to be pairing and stuff. Just too far from me. It's never too far. You're never too far, is what I always say. So day 2, we got this hack and hang, and basically what we want is like different GitHub repositories that people can like show up and be like, I'm going to build a ChatGPT clone today. I'm going to build Snake in Livewire. But we don't want them to have to start a project from scratch and like waste a bunch of time boilerplating. So we're like, we should kind of figure out what some of these app ideas would be and then kind of start scaffolding them ourselves for people. And that's what we're doing on this stream here. So, Daniel, first step, I think we pick one just to get
the list.
Let's pull up the list. Where did we put the list?
I don't remember, man.
Oh.
Wait, let me see if it's in the big document. It might be in the big document.
Yeah. Maybe I made a new tab, I think, bud.
In the doc?
I think in the doc there's a tab called prompts.
Day 2 prompts. Maybe. Oh my god, there it is. Yep. Let's go.
Oh, Jilly. Hey, hey, buddy, like the cocaine bee. Tell it to me, tell it to me. I spilled. So. We live can't come soon and not Wire Live. That's right. You want access to right. Yes, it does mean you get access to the new Livewire. That's part of the deal. So, yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it every day. You guys want to see Islands? It's done. Well, today is just getting all of the documentation right and trying to get Cursor to add all the new stuff that I just implemented. But yeah, let me just show you this. Watch this. Okay.
Let's see it, dude.
This is Islands in Livewire 4. Ready? Just going to see it. Yep.
Hell yeah.
Look at it. Can't you see? I'm going to go get a tissue because I spilled on my desk.
What? Oh no.
Tell it to me. Hey, hey, buddy, like the cocaine bee. Oh, Blaze, yeah. Hey, if anybody wants, Blaze is kind of finished. And let me
Blaze?
Just Blaze.
Just Blaze.
That's a thing, but I know it from I think an Eminem song. It's like
yeah, it's a
Blaze.
it's a producer tag. Just Blaze is a producer.
There you go. So yeah, Blaze is done and has been done, and it's sitting in a repo. And if you throw your GitHub username in the chat, I'll add you to the repo, and you can find a bug or two and submit a PR.
Mine is Daniel Colborn.
You want in on this, Deke?
I like to be in repos.
Let's go. All right, so let's just.
Well, you don't use the GitHub mobile app?
No, I do, and I hate it. So I'd rather do this. What? No, not Alpine Day. All right, so let me just dox the people I already have in here, and then.
You put Damiani in here before me, huh?
Yeah, he asked. It's all about who asks. Well, we'll give you a read there, Daniel.
I'll just take a look around. I won't do anything.
Thomas. I know you from GitHub, of course.
Oh, Josh Hanley wants in.
Is Josh Hanley on this? Josh Hanley wants in. That's really funny. There's no way you don't have access to this, Josh, right? Josh has like admin access to the whole like Livewire freaking thing. Hanley in the house, mate. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Who else?
Hanley on the half shell. Turtle power.
I'm just gonna read them to myself. We're gonna add folks. So Remy Hendricks.
Uh-huh.
Come on in, Remy.
Come on in. We got Isaac Do.
And Isaac Don't.
Sure, why would you?
Is this our Isaac?
That's no. Hold on. 2 A's, right? You got the 2 A's.
Got the 2 A's.
That's it.
Husker do, Husker don't.
You got Everlost. The second E is a 3.
Oh, Philippe is in the house too. Philippe, it's got to be way past your bedtime.
They're all here. Oh man, dude, this is honestly
the stream's been discovered.
It's a mistake. Too many usernames.
Read them off.
Oh my god. All right, I'm trying to get to the early ones first. Everlost with a 3.
This is how we're managing this project. Yeah, this stream is just Daniel reading.
EV3R.
Hold on, I'm way out of.
Oh fuck me! Why am I even reading these names?
I'm so sorry. Is this Daniel Gerardo Daniel Rodriguez? I'm hoping this is you. I feel like I might have misspelled.
G Daniel RG.
Let me go back. It. Let's really take our time here. G Daniel.
That was him.
It's him.
Confirmed him.
Okay, so you have to put in the chat if it's you when I type your name. All right, any more? Or
so many. Yeah, many.
Dude.
All right.
You got any more, or we just let's move
on we've still got more. So did you ever get to Everlost? EV3?
No. What?
Loopback license.
Wait.
Oh no.
Purchase a loopback.
Oh no, we gotta buy it now.
Shoot.
$100. Wait. Don't put a credit card in.
I'm gonna do it live. Dude, this is unbearable. Wait, I'm gonna have to mute Daniel.
Oh no.
Loopback. Oh god. This is
Hang on. I've got a code.
Okay, here. Let me open Meld. And let me turn Daniel the heck down. So, Daniel, now no one can hear you, including me. Really? I love it. Daniel Colborn. Code. You're sending me this email? All right, here, put in the chat your loopback license key. Please. I'm hoping that the folks at home can't hear what we're hearing. What I'm hearing. Nobody else is hearing this. Jesper, welcome, mate. Our brother from the Rails mother. You cannot put it in chat. Oh, you cannot hear it? Good. Loopback has unlocked. Great. Dude, I don't know if they heard what I was hearing, or maybe they did it first, but it was like the most insane. So this is how they get you.
Hello.
He's back. This is how they get you over at Loopback headquarters.
Yeah. They used to be a former sponsor of No Place to Merge.
True. They turn on like a white noise, like hiss, like a broadcast hiss. So like in my headphones, full blast is like on top of your audio.
Really not good.
Okay, they did hear it. We only heard the beginning of it. Jasper misses No Plans to Merge. We got to bring it back. Okay, let's finish this up here. Who else wants to get into Blaze? We're gonna end. We're disallowing access after I finish typing. However many Daniel Willem, you're in, bud. Okay,
I've been trying to get Everlost in here forever, so we have to get Everlost in here.
Okay.
EV3 or Lost. Well, no, not 3E, just 3R.
You think I don't know how to type?
There we go. Get him in there as a reader.
Hey, buddy, let the cocaine be.
Code education.
Come to me.
COD education.
Coduction.
Oh, is that what it is?
I don't know, but coduction's about to.
Oh, code deduction. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So we're good. We're caught up enough. If you didn't get in, just DM me on Twitter and I won't see it. No, tweet at me with your GH username publicly, because then I'll see it. Okay, you're all in Blaze, so go check out Blaze if you want. It's just been sitting there collecting dust. I've only, we're singing Billy Strings. Me and Daniel came on this podcast with Billy Strings vibes and podcast, and we're just letting the cocaine be. We're drinking corn liquor.
Well, I'm drinking Monster, which is sort of cocaine.
Yeah, and this is Diet Pepsi, but I put corn liquor in it.
Diet cocaine.
Corn syrup, unfermented.
Corn syrup.
Okay.
All right. What are we doing here?
Get focused, Daniel.
Get focused, big guy.
All right.
I'm gonna send you the link to, or you just go to the document. You have the document.
Am I allowed to open that on here?
Yeah, if you open the tab.
Dude, I'm not gonna be doing this. Let me open this on a separate monitor. There we go. Okay.
What secrets are there?
I'm just saying, if I open my Google Docs, it's gonna be like, your birth certificate is the most recently opened thing.
Oh yeah. So how we all keep our birth certificate in Google Docs.
Yeah. Got to keep track of that, All right. So
all right. Tab day 2 prompts.
Okay. All right. So again, for the folks at home, day 2 of Wire Live, we're going to be hacking on stuff, and we actually need stuff to hack on. So me and Daniel are going to build out maybe a little Livewire app right now of an idea, just as a starting point for people. So we got to pick an idea.
And we have to discuss.
I can see you, Adrian.
Build out a starting point.
So we got to build out a starting point, and we have some ideas with ChatGPT clone, Calendly clone. These are boring ideas that are good things to hack on. So it's these aren't funny or cool, but I wouldn't mind having a day to build a ChatGPT clone in Livewire and finding a bunch of cool stuff. So we have games, and we're thinking how can we do non-graphics heavy games, multiplayer tic-tac-toe could be sweet.
Texas Hold'em is up here under ideas, not under games.
Yeah, so that's going to be there. All right, we'll do that, and then we'll also say golf scorecard or something, so that we can be equally represented in our sessions.
The first program I ever wrote was a golf scorecard.
No way.
Yep, in C. It was a terminal golf score, TUI golf scorecard.
I love it.
My father assigned it to me. He said, "Here's a project for you, a golf scorecard."
Your dad a golfer?
Mini golfer, yeah.
Big mini golfer.
Big mini golf.
Yeah. Right. Big par 3 mini golf guy.
Oh yeah.
I'm caught in the fountain bunk. I'm caught in the windmill bunker. So I'm getting into golf, and historically Hannah always crushes me at mini golf, and it's the one thing that she holds on to, but now I'm into it, so I have to get good at putting. So we just played mini golf with the whole family, and I just smushed her, and she hates that I play golf now. So yeah, all right, we'll throw in the chat what's a good game idea. If we're gonna sit there and build a game in Livewire, what would be fun? Throw game ideas in. Let's have a little game. Golf is awesome. Thomas loves golf. That's great. So golf games are welcome. We're thinking non 3D graphics. No, throw an idea of a game. We're thinking form fields, a game with text inputs, and a data table is the type of game we're after.
Yep.
Yeah, tic-tac-toe would be fun and could be totally Quake, right? Yeah, cool. All right.
Oh, that's true. You can run Quake in the browser for sure.
Yep, we could get Doom in. I could get Doom on an. You could Doom on an e-cig.
Rather than doing this, should we just get everyone in the chat into a browser-based Quake 3 lobby real quick?
Just as a quick sidebar.
Just a quick palate cleanser.
We could do a text-based RPG in Livewire.
Oh, a TTRPG.
Yeah. So, all right. So that's the game ideas. We'll let them roll in. Daniel's gonna, pay attention to those, and we'll fill up our little roster here. So then me and Daniel were chess, of course. Yeah. Chess.
Chess not bad.
Chess not bad. Chess not bad.
Chess kind of good.
Chess good.
Oh, good point.
Could use XSort for.
Well, so then the other thing here is there's a project that John has built several times.
Here we go, Jasper. Let's go.
Is like, I want to join multiplayer games and like keep track of wins and losses in games and stuff like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like there's sort of that project, and then there's like many games that could fit within that project. It'd be kind of fun if like one team just built like a game lobby system, and then everyone else built games for that lobby system or something.
Yep.
Or maybe the starting point we build is the lobby system.
So let's say tic-tac-toe, Connect 4, chess.
Texas Hold'em.
Hold'em. All right. Yeah, game management project. Tetris. Guillermo, welcome, buddy.
Tetris is something.
Tetris is something. Could be interesting.
It's a little bit...
Minesweeper, sure.
Minesweeper, good.
But you're right that like the thing here, I mean, this also, which I remembered when I was writing this last time, is like there can be pure Alpine prompts,
right? And
now you're unlocking anything, and it's like any front end game. But the Livewire relevant portion is kind of the multiplayer engine-y situation. Yeah. So, okay, that's the games. And then we have things that we actually would want to build for ourselves. Life OS, of course, you just want the operating system for your life. Game needs some server interaction. Agree, Hanley, mate. Personal finance app. Who doesn't want to write one of those, right?
I'm not sure what a Life OS is, really.
Oh, well, so I think this is like the Kitsy. You follow him? Kitsy?
Yeah.
He's the guy behind Sizzy. Uh-huh. He has it's called Benji OS, the Life OS. Chaotic life, tired of making promises you don't keep, too many apps and subscriptions. It's time to simplify. This is like everything in my life is in this app. My calendar, my habits, how much water I drank. No, but it's a cool idea. So, but I do recognize this. And he probably just made it himself. But boy, does it look like this.
Wait, let's see it. Go back. One more. Ah, that border. I've seen that border.
Nice border. Hugo owns this border radius and padding.
Where's Hugo? Get him in here.
This is theft. So yeah.
Yep. And everyone also always says that you guys look like each other, so he definitely knows you exist.
Yeah, we're buddies. Yeah.
You're brothers.
We are brothers. Yep. I messaged him that like before I really knew him and was like, dude, we look the same. And he was like, he wrote something back that was like really like, what the hell, And I was like, oh, I guess I'm both wrong and I pissed you off because I'm uglier than you. and I think he like clarified that he thinks that he's uglier than me. So we're in an ugly match.
Okay, cool.
Of who is the ugliest.
That's an app you could build. Everyone votes on which of you two is uglier.
That's an app.
Sort of a hot or not situation.
Hot or not app, honestly, pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
Hot or not for ideas.
There's all just pictures of Max.
Yeah. Dude, I tried to make one of these in high school because I was like a very toxic like young male and was like, like me and my friends were like, oh, we should make like, we were going to call it the shallow end. And it was just like,
oh, dude, if you had tried harder, you could be Mark Zuckerberg.
Exactly. Yeah. It's been done before. It's been done before. Emmett says everybody's streaming right now. If everybody's me and Daniel, you're absolutely right. Yes, Daniel untoxified me. He said, Caleb, you're toxic. Your toxic masculinity is just oozing out of your pores with your weak arms and the female vocalists that you listen to. Okay. Other things. Rolodex. God, this is like actually one that we want.
Yes. Dude, we were talking about this. Rolodex is lit.
I want to hop on a call with you, whoever you are, and be like, what's their kids' names? Be like,
like
how's Susie's soccer practice going? You know?
I mean, like the real like sort of business psycho version of this is like, you make the personal CRM where it's like it keeps track of everyone you know, and whatever, and then you make an AI note taker that you just add to all your calls that learns useful little bits of information about them and writes it down on them. That's the business psycho version of it.
There is all the AI psycho versions of these, which we need a separate category for.
AI.
Another one that popped into my head right now is a Mobbin clone. So you know Mobbin? So this is like whenever I build something like for Flux, like I was just doing like file upload, I just go to Mobbin, type file upload, and then just look at everybody's file uploads. Go like, okay, like this is that. And they have it all like categorized and everything. It's such a simple app, and it costs you dearly. It's like $18 a month per user that you add to your team. And yeah, but it's sick. But it would be such an easy app to make.
Mm-hmm. It would be such a hard app to fill with content.
Well, yeah, right. If I was a startup, though, this would be the right kind of like work I would want to do. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a marketplace. You're the one filling the other side of the marketplace. You just, I don't know. I honestly don't even think it would be that big of a lift, Daniel, because they don't have enough stuff here, you know? And they just have like 20 popular apps that they just take screenshots of like every interaction and tag that screenshot with the types of components that are contained in that.
Dude, if we built this, how much would you be willing to invest in filling it with content? You know what I'm saying? Like, you spent $3,000 of someone's time going and like, screenshotting apps.
That's cheap, right? Like,
yeah, that's cheap. And like,
you get a Mechanical Turk to just like freaking load you up for $5,000.
But ideally, you want it to be like a designer, you know?
Just get the AI to screenshot and tag it. Good thinking, Atheco.
I feel like it's harder to get the AI to tag it.
Yeah, way harder. It's gonna hallucinate till the day is done. But a Mobbin clone, like that's something that would be like a fun thing because you'd have to do like file uploading, tagging, man. You know, could be fun.
Yeah, you know, Flux has file uploads now. I don't know if you guys know.
I did see that come across the line.
Yeah.
A gift idea thing. Who doesn't want a gift idea app? You know.
Sure.
Right. We'll monetize it. The business cycle version has affiliate links out the wazoo, and we're getting rich. The Gear List app. That's the best one.
So sick.
That's what we do, right?
It's so bad.
Like that's what we should do right now.
Yeah. So what
is the Gear List
question.
app?
Are we building this? What are we doing for this?
I think we're starting it, and we're seeing like what things would need to be built that should be built already. You know? Like I think we just kind of like get a basic thing going and then decide from there how much we want to remove or extract, you know? The /uses app. Totally.
Yeah.
So let's just do it, right?
Cool. I'm just going to go look for domain names real quick. Sorry.
All right. So
.app.
Let's do this. Laravel new uses app. We should prefix these. Wire live uses. Daniel, I need naming help here.
I'm looking at domain names.
A critical point here.
Yeah, I think it's called uses for now.
Yeah, it's called uses. So wire live hyphen, like are all of these going to start with this? Wire live prompt uses? That's really a lot.
Laravel.
You know, like what's the repo name?
Wire live -uses.
Okay.
I think wire live as one word with no hyphen. Wire live.
That's insane.
Uses. Yeah.
That's insane.
What?
It's literally insane. No way, dude. No way.
Wire live uses.
Okay.
Livewire probably, huh?
Do we just go with the stock starter kit?
No starter kit.
No starter kit. No.
Yeah. We are the starter kit.
Yeah.
Be the starter kit you want to see in the world.
I'm not trying to smear anybody, but I need to write my own Livewire starter kit so that can be the Livewire starter kit so that I would want to use it myself. Which database will your application use? Well, duh.
SQL.
Sure. Oh, didn't Taylor? Oh, that was something else. You know,
Uses.gg is available.
Okay. So wire live uses. Let's do it. Okay, we have an app. Alexa. Whoops.
Uses.guide is available.
Okay. So what do we do? You know what we got to do here? We got to
create users and logins.
We got to
Do you know about Whimsical, Caleb?
No.
Okay, it's better.
Dude, how could you guys and your hate on TL Draw? TL Draw is the best.
Yeah. There it is.
So it's
It's wireframing, flowcharts, projects, all sorts of great stuff.
That's too much.
Okay.
You know, Deke, it's just too much.
Sure. Yeah.
Deke, don't yes me.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do we do here? How do you build an app?
Okay, so I mean, here's what we know we're going to need. We're going to need users who can log in.
Let's talk. Go to experiences, Daniel. Okay.
Go to experience.
Problems to solve. Let's think of the experience of the app. You know.
Sorry. Yeah. So I'm doing my best to not solve the core problem of the app because I think that's what we want other people to do. Or am I wrong? And we should solve the core problem. Are we just doing day 2 right now?
Let's start with doing day 2 and then work our way back.
Okay, great. So a uses app, there's probably, so there are items that you use, right? Which probably have like a title, description, and a link.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Then there are categories that those items can go in, right?
So maybe we start with the form to create your own uses thing. Right.
Yep.
Okay. So pages.
Create a uses thing.
Create uses. Yeah, because this is kind of there's probably 2 experiences. The one is browsing other people's uses. The other one is creating your own uses. And managing your own. So there's people use and you use. There you go.
Yep.
Okay. So now the you use page.
You use ID.
Yep. The you use page. What are the fields here?
Okay, so I think we have
name.
So you mean for a single thing that you use?
Oh no, right. Is there? There's a single thing that you use, huh?
There's a single thing that you use. Then there's a category of things that you use, and then there's a list that contains
you use. So we'll start with the smallest, the most deeply nested,
which is a link basically, right? Which has a title, a description, and a URL. Maybe an image.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's the thing. Do you put a price or something or nothing, or that's just in the URL?
Oh, price. I like price. Yeah, optional price. And then there's a kind of open question about if it's a subscription, do we have to show that it's a recurring price or not? You know what I'm saying? Because I use Whimsical and that costs me $1 a year.
Price one time. Price subscription.
Recurring. Yeah.
Price recurring. Then price recurring increment. It's this is so stupid.
But this could also just be a text field that they just type. $25 / MO.
This is price.
Yeah.
Get users affiliate links. Name that font. Oh yeah, you like that font? Comic Sans, something. Could it be a rich text area? Guillermo asks. Absolutely, it can be. Right here.
Rich text.
Rich text, dog. Yeah, let's get those types going. Just text, price.
For now, just text.
Image is a file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
URL is a text.
URL shall be considered a text, and that's what we do.
Okay, so that is a use.
Yes, that is a thing that is a use.
Here's what I'm picturing. I'm kind of picturing something like this. So it's like, here's my page, right, with like my little profile.
We call them things. That's the noun, right? There's a thing that you use.
Okay, so I have like my little like personal profile shit at the top.
Yeah.
And then I have like a little header here that says like podcast gear or whatever, right? So this is my podcast list.
Oh, yeah. So there's categories of things.
Well, and then I'm thinking even within the podcast list, I might want like hardware, and then I have some items for hardware, and then I have software.
Oh, dude.
And then I'll have, so like ideally I would like to have lists, within the list have categories, and within the categories have items.
This is insane.
You think so?
No, it does make sense.
Because like building the nested form for this would be a blast in Livewire.
Okay. We do.
You know what I'm saying?
Hard mode.
Well, if we're going to give people a whole day to work on it.
Giftable. Emmett's trying to, he came up with a new good name, and then he just bought the domain to try to get us
to fucking sell us the domain.
He's scooping us.
10 times we paid for it. Don't freak me.
Accordion. Yeah, this is an e-commerce site at this point. Yeah, we're gonna need a cart. So we're gonna try. Okay, so you have a thing.
John's mom's basement is involved.
Right, a list of things, and then a thing has a type of thing. Would you say?
A thing has a type of thing?
Or the thing type.
Yeah,
a category. And I mean, is this a whole other model here, bud?
I think category is its own model, yeah. List, category, thing.
Okay. So now we should be turning this into a ERD. Category of thing. Okay. And now that all this is overly indented, you like this app, buddy?
Yeah, I was just thinking, I'm trying to become Aaron right now. I'm like, what would Aaron ask right now if this was a serious app that someone was paying us to build?
Aaron?
Aaron is our product manager.
Oh, right. I'm like, Aaron
non-John
Francis
product manager at Thunk.
Yeah. Okay, this is a category.
Oh, Mark's making a great point that we should have a taxonomy of groups of things. Good point.
Yeah, everyone thought Aaron Francis. We're all like,
not Aaron.
What is he working
Aaron
for you now?
Antcliffe.
Category of things. So I just thought something in it randomly disappeared. Category of thing.
Vision Quest Francis.
You have the title of the category of thing, and then you also have a description, because you have to, where there's title, there is description. And let's just leave it at that. Okay, bud? And there's also icon or emoji. No, you put that in the title. Emoji. Okay? Nope.
Sure.
Cut scope. So category of thing. And then you have your things, which belong in the category of thing. And then in the category, you have the user ID. This is so stupid. I just feel like we're like doing the dumbest thing you could do when you're building an app. It's like sit there and write out all of the fields
before you start writing code. Yeah.
Enunciate model of Daniel. Well, at least Daniel's doing the.
I got a logo.
Oh, that's not bad, dude. Okay, so should we make this thing interface?
Yeah, it's really important that every app I build starts with TH so that I can use the same first two letters of the logo.
5 letters. Okay. Dude, it should be called Things now. No, that's already a thing.
Yeah, that's a to-do app.
Okay. So now that we have our app all ready to be built,
yeah, we do.
We go to web, we create a new file, and we just do it here. And we call, let's install Livewire.
I've heard of it.
So we're going to install Livewire 4, and it's going to break, but that's okay. Composer link Livewire. Let's do all the links. Flux Pro. My helper thing here is broken, so I need to do this. Flux Pro. Is that?
So we need to think about, if we're making these starter kits for people, we need to make sure that like they're going to work with Livewire 4 when we publish Livewire 4 on stage.
Yeah. So this is the right move.
Yes.
No. Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Now,
should have muted. Tried to mute.
We composer require. Let's go into our Flux repo and make sure we're on main. Yep. And we're on Josh Hanley's time picker. Shout out to Josh Hanley's time picker. Okay. And then we go into Livewire, and that's what we got. Okay. Wire Live uses composer require Livewire Flux Livewire Flux Pro. What could go wrong? Yeah.
Minimum stability, dev.
Would it be great if it worked?
It won't. Flux requires Livewire 3.
Let's install Livewire, folks. Okay. And now it's going to add it here, but we could say as 3.6.
Crazy.
0.0.
Crazy man.
And then maybe this will like get us past. Just get me out of this. Stop it. This will work, right? Shoot.
3.5.
3.5.19. Just above 3.5.19. So it should work, you know?
So, shouldn't that be anything in 3.5?
The Livewire Live got removed. Livewire.
But so you said it as 3.6.
Yeah, and then it erased it.
Oh. Well, that's stupid.
Yes. So, oh my God, dude. Okay, this is how you program, folks.
What does the thing say that you keep skipping?
It's going to give
the message.
No, it's going to give me a hard time because I'm on a feature branch. So now I'm going to go on dev main. And then I'm going to go back.
Yeah, Josh is right. Just press Y. It wants you to press Y.
Josh doesn't know. He thinks
He's
he
right.
knows. He doesn't know. Dev main
I knew
as 3.6.
You just have to read the fucking message.
Dude, that's your job, Daniel.
I was.
Livewire Flux Pro. Ready, go.
Oh, no. You can't press Y now. No, there's nothing to press Y on, guys. The chat really wants you to press Y, even though there's nothing to press it on.
Well, it's gone. Y's gone.
Yeah, Y's gone.
Okay, so Flux worked. Now Flux Pro says, 6.2. Ready? Ready for this? You like that?
Sick. We did it.
You like that, don't you? Okay. All right. Now we've installed Livewire.
Holy hell. Okay.
We're making great progress.
Artisan, make, model.
Let's start with a page.
Okay.
Artisan, make, Livewire, thing / create.
Thing form?
Pages, thing, create thing.
Create.
Okay.
I like it.
Now we're gonna test out our new
call it
skills.
thing form. Call it thing form.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna reuse it for edit later.
Oh.
All right, thing form. Here we are.
Thing form. And let's say hello world. Thing form. And then now I think we should be able to do this. Route Livewire. Pages. Thing form. Okay.
Yep.
And it's going to throw an error because we don't have a layout. So we get a layout. We refresh.
Thing form.
Thing form. Okay. Do we need to do anything? Why?
We should probably make our layout use Flux.
Yeah. All right. Let's just go real quick and install Flux. Man, we got to make the starter kit. If only Laravel had a starter kit for all this.
I know.
Okay. We installed it. We activated it. Let's look at our layout. And we just got to add a couple things. Let's just grab a layout. What's the layout of this app, Daniel? Daniel, focus.
What is the layout of this app? The layout of this app is
header, sidebar.
I think right now it's like super simple, no sidebar, no nothing.
It's just let's do this because this will give us like Flux kind of going. So we do this. Yeah, and of course we have a collapsible sidebar. Shout out to collapsible sidebar. Let's try this. And let's take this and put it here. And we also need Vite for Tailwind.
Yep.
So we do that. And now, whoops, we reload our page. Okay, yeah, it works great. Okay.
Good afternoon, Olivia.
Alexa, make me an app.
Alexa, make my app full height. Body H viewport? H.
I mean, the copy and pasted thing, man, should work. That'd be really bad if it didn't.
Min-H screen. You already have Min-H screen. You're right.
You forgot no mistakes. Just how Flux is intended to look. Josh Siri. All right. Well, Josh Hanley's on it. That's so weird. Let's try one that has been around a long time that probably won't break. And then we'll just see if it's our problem. And then Josh Hanley will fix it if it's our problem. No.
What's going on here?
Something's going on, dude.
Can you look at it for a second instead of just like, is it, yeah. Pop into Elements.
Elements, baby.
All right.
Yeah, so that should be grid positioned.
Where is this welcome? Good afternoon, Olivia. Where is that?
That's down here. Working like a charm.
Oh, yeah. Things are definitely wrong.
What did I miss that's obvious? I missed something obvious. Have you added Flux to your app CSS? No.
That's what it is.
Because I just decided to skip the installation and go straight to the layout. So that's what happened with that. Okay.
Yeah, we should make a starter kit, huh? Maybe that's what we should be doing. Fuck all this other stuff. Just making a starter kit.
The stream has changed. We are now making a starter kit.
Because starting an app is the worst.
Of course, we're going to make it use inter. And then we're also going to put this in our who's or what's it. Okay. And then now we're cooking with gas. Why? I'll say why. Okay. The app works, Daniel. Don't worry. It
love
works.
this website so far. Really a lot to like here.
Okay. So now we just throw in our little slot.
Yeah.
Now we got our thing form, baby.
Thing form.
Baby.
Baby.
Okay. Why? They're all like, I think they're saying why to the starter kit idea.
Why?
Are you paying attention to this chat, Daniel?
Yeah, they're just saying why a lot.
Okay.
And making jokes about how we're stupid.
All right, so now we have...
I'll say that they seem to think you're stupid more than they think I'm stupid.
Accurate.
Yeah.
Flux heading. Create a thing. Yeah. Let's create a thing.
Let's create a thing. Okay, so what does the form look like here?
Thing has a title.
This is like... Sure, a thing has a title.
Right?
Yeah, and this is like a... Yep.
Okay, Flux input. Wire model, title, label title, and then we'll add class space Y6.
Thing has a mabob. That's a great point.
It has a mabob, an mabob. It has a description.
One or
Man,
more
if only
mabob.
we wrote down everything all of the fields. We got a title, we got a price, an image, description, and URL. So title, description, let's do price.
Flux, rich text.
Don't do that to me. And then, description. So this will be
or rich text. What
editor.
Is that? Editor. Yeah.
This is kind of cool to use Flux. I never get to use Flux.
Yeah, and let's do a number input with a dollar prefix.
We decided not to, so they could write /mo.
It could still have a dollar prefix.
Oh, well then they can't write. Then we can't have the number thing. Yeah.
Oh, can't be number. Can't be number.
So we need an image.
Yep.
So this is going to be image. It's going to be image, and this is going to be. Well, this one we could just use the input type file for now.
So architecturally here, Brud, I'm thinking that this should be
URL.
Never mind. I'll bring it up later.
Okay, you ready? One shot. Flux. Form, baby.
Boom.
Dude,
all right.
Flux is nice.
A little bit wide. A little bit wide.
It's a little wide.
Maybe a max with 2XL. Exactly. You got me.
Great.
Honestly, I could live with a max with 1XL.
As could I.
It's just XL.
Come on, Adam. Make that work, dude. Okay. So,
right.
I give you a form.
A form for a thing.
His input is as valuable as John Foreman's acoustic guitar on Meant to Live. I can't hear acoustic guitar on Meant to Live. Oh, in the beginning? Is it like, yeah. Yeah, that's Daniel.
It's very useful.
Very useful. Can't do any MB. I have to MT all day. Josh, dude. How about this, true. Josh? How about this, dude? What now? What now?
I think really this should just be a space Y.
All right, let's add space.
If I'm being honest.
Okay, so now that we have that, we just one-shot that and that.
Yep.
And
don't you have a trait for images that we have to use?
Sure do, bud.
Hey, what is this the new uploader that we're using?
No. You want the new one?
Yeah, dude. We have a new one.
Okay,
let's
dude.
use it.
Yeah, that one I have to copy and paste though, so it's a big lift. All right, we want this bad boy or you want the inline bad boy?
Ooh.
I feel like we should do this with these. So
okay.
Let's do this. Bajoomp. And then we say
Bajoomp.
This. Label. Image. Not multiple.
No multiple, just one.
Just image. Draw files or click to browse. Sure. Inline. Okay. And that's our thing. And then we also now need the list of the uploaded things, which we will get from here. But let's go to live.
Fun for you to actually do write Livewire.
Yeah, I haven't written Livewire since I wrote Livewire. So let's do this. And this will just be dandelions right here. Okay. Photo.
It's called image.
Image. Okay.
Great. Love
Look
it.
at that. A little wide.
Upload an image, shall we?
Wide, but whatever.
A little wide.
We could upload an image.
Beautiful
Screenshot. Oh,
dogs.
Josh has no idea about the pile of screenshots with notes I have for him. Sorry, Josh. Incoming.
Josh, start taking screenshots of the screenshots right now.
Get client original name on string. Yeah, because this isn't supposed to be a string, dude. That's a temporary file upload if I ever saw one.
Caleb writing Livewire was not on my bingo card in October. That's for sure. Thanks, Josh. They're haters, Caleb. They're haters.
It's full of haters. This is like the most toxic chat. Yeah, Josh is
This
cooked.
guy's never written code in his life.
Okay. So, Daniel,
Yeah, these Joshes, you put these two Joshes in the same room.
it's so toxic.
Shit gets evil.
Yeah, it's just hazing the entire time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have, a form. And so
Yeah, we
now
have a
we
form.
just add some validation, right? So validate, right? We could do this. Should we do this? We can. We can.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude.
Just add it to everything and import that bad boy. And slug. What the hell? Like,
Slug?
you're so stupid.
It's fucking... It's your first day? Wait,
Make
we already
this
have price.
match. No. Agent chat. Add all the properties and validate attribute thingies for this Livewire component. Go.
So, Caleb, I know only one of us here is a professional application developer.
Yes.
So, one thing that I
No,
might
Josh is in the
suggest-
chat.
Oh, right. Get
No,
him in
he's
here.
Josh, you're demoted. Now you're a framework dev too.
Yeah, Josh is a framework dev. He quit.
Both Joshes.
He quit building real stuff for a living. Okay, here's what I would do is I would just make this whole thing a DTO, but screw me, I guess.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, you and your textbooks can just go.
Textbooks?
Daniel's so offended. You just see the look on his face right now. He's just like,
Textbooks.
okay. Let's wrap this in a
Josh
div.
wants us to do a form object, but we'll save it. Save it for the show.
Fix it. No one's building a form object here, okay? We're making a
Yeah.
Livewire component.
Look, that one's on Hamley. Don't put that one on me.
Now we hit create, and there we go.
Hell yeah.
Pretty sick, right?
Pretty sick. Yeah, for sure.
Works like a dog. All
Okay,
right.
does
So
work
some of
like a
these
dog.
things
Okay,
aren't
so now-
required, Daniel. Such as
Yeah, for sure. No,
description and URL is also not
Yeah.
required. And the price is also not
Price,
required, nor is the
not
image.
required. Only the title is required.
However, the title is required. Oh, and we have a category, right?
Is there a way in Flux to mark a field as required
We'll do
visually?
that later. Yeah.
Oh, there was a way.
There. Oh, are you setting me up?
I'm teeing you up, bro.
Are you teeing me up?
Yeah, you've been teed.
I don't know if that'll do it. No, it's it's been a long time. Oh man. Anybody know off the top of their
I
heads?
don't know.
This is a test. Nah.
Hanley, how do we do this?
He's already on the docks, that sly sucker. I could tell. I could feel it. Field. There we go. Badge required.
required. This seems like something that we should pick up from the required attribute.
Well, no, because then it would add it all over the place. That's a little much, Even this is too much, but we're here,
Yep.
So, all right. So I would call this
This is a form.
This is what I would call a form.
Okay, so Caleb, here's kind of how I want this app to work. And you
Yeah.
tell me if I'm a big dumb idiot. I want there to be 2 columns. I want whoa.
Sorry. Back at you, Cotton.
Okay. Would you do me the great honor? Actually, go back to your code. Let me just start typing. All right.
Let me get you an insert mode here, bud. There you go.
Cool. Thank you. So let's just do a div class equals grid calls.
We chose not to do star Josh Hanley for some reason that me and Hugo decided after a long call. So it must have been the right call, you know?
All right. And then that. Okay. You don't auto format?
Oh, you want a live preview?
Not just a live preview. I want to be building a list and then adding items to the list.
Oh, dude.
You know what I'm saying?
No. Don't do this because we could put it in a modal.
No.
No, I do think
the list is over here on the left, and then.
No. I mean, let's put it in a flyout if we do that.
Okay, fine. Flyout. You're right. We have flyouts.
All right. Should we put it in a flyout? I mean, this is not. Now we're out of bounds here because this whole component now goes in another component called thing.
Right. Well, so yeah.
Called thing form.
True, you're right. So this thing.
Right, so let's get this thing form.
This
pinned
is
down.
the thing that goes in the flyout.
Yeah. Okay, so now we just create a quick little. Yeah, that was. You know what, Daniel? We all make mistakes. Okay. Let's create a model.
So
here.
then I guess on save.
Well, you know what we should do? Should we just let's ask ChatGPT or whatever?
I don't think we should create a model right now. Really? I think we should just emit an event.
This is the impasse we were born to reach. We could.
So here's the question.
How do you feel about scope and its creep?
Here's the question. Do we want a list that is in the middle of being edited to have permanent effects on the database? Or not?
As they're typing it?
Well, so say I'm making my podcasting list and I've added 3 items to my podcasting list.
Yeah.
Are those items permanent items, or do I have to wait until I save the list for those things to become permanent?
Now you create the list, or we start you with just a list.
Okay,
and then
so
you're just adding them.
And you're adding items to the list, and those are real additions.
Yeah.
So you're never like working on a list that isn't public.
No, and if you were, it would just be like an unpublished list or something.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. Okay.
Okay.
I take it all back.
Take it all back.
I've built too many invoicing systems.
Here's the component. Make me the eloquent model and what's the other thing you call it?
Migration and Cedar and Factory.
Factory and anything else while we're ordering
Make
stuff
a couple
here?
verbs events. I don't know.
Okay, and make this all and trash the whole idea of a. And then we just say go.
Go.
We can say go, and it's gonna do its thing. What are we building here, Josh? We're building an invoicing app. We're clearly building a uses app where you can add your gear to a gear list, but we're purposely not calling it gear.
Elgato key light.
Yeah. Can't you see?
Can't you see?
Can't you tell by the name uses?
Going like a little cocaine bee.
Ain't going like a little cocaine bee. All right, and we got emojis to prove it.
Are you eating the spicy sweet chili pistachios on a regular basis, Caleb?
No.
Let me just
put that to your. You might want to add that to your uses list. Spicy
so
sweet,
good.
But they just spice the shells. No, these are shucked.
I'll show you a bowl of shells real quick, and you can.
Oh, they are shelled.
And the shells have like spice on them.
So you get them on your fingers when you peel it, and then you lick your fingers. That's not
but
in
it's
the
not like
pistachio.
spice powder. It's not like spice powder. It's like a candied crust of spice.
Ah, like a patina
on the nut itself.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I like it.
Yep. So anyway.
Okay, now that we cleared up for Josh Siri, snacks should definitely be in the uses list. Agreed. Hear me out. Spicy, sweet chili, pistachio, buffalo wings. Let's go. How about just buffalo wing pistachios? I can't wait to show you guys how I live. I very often take a plate and put like nachos on it, like tortilla chips, pour a bunch of cheese on it, put in the microwave for 45 seconds, and then take the Frank's hot sauce and just literally cover it. So you just see like red. and then you eat that, and it's incredible. And it is true Buffalonian cuisine. Change it to wings order form. Oh, wings order form. We didn't even think to like.
Have you seen the website? Have you have the app Slice on your phone?
Slice? No.
Slice is just an app that orders pizza.
Oh,
and it has like every pizza place near you.
That's
somehow.
great.
I don't know what API they're using. I think it might be like a wrapper around DoorDash or something.
Yeah, because DoorDash, like if I'm on DoorDash, I'm never thinking, I'm not in like ordering pizza mode. Like even if I order pizza, you're not like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but like if I go here, I open Slice. Boom.
Let's MFS and see if it just one-shotted it.
Immediately, we're into pizza mode. All it is pizzas all the way down. In fact, I might order a fucking pizza right now.
I ordered pizza last night.
Dude,
and it's been a long time. If I ordered
pizza right now.
Okay. So, data, validate, data, no. Thing create, image. Let's do this. Yoink. Let's just skip the image entirely right now, would you say?
Sure.
I don't know.
Bro, guess who just ordered a pizza?
I guess it's all part of it, though, you know?
It's all part of it.
It's part of the app. Build the app.
Part of the crew, part of the ship.
Part of the crew, part of the ship. Image store, things public. Right, it does have to be public. Does that mean... Do we need to wire up a public storage config thing, or does Laravel do that by default? Create a thing. So we create the thing, and then we get the thing.
Josh Siri wants us to install Boost. He's a shill for big Laravel.
Oh my gosh, dude, this guy! Ever since he got bought out,
yeah,
he's literally a walking billboard.
Yeah, he wants us to run Boost. He probably wants us to use the new Forge UI too.
I'm sticking with the old Forge UI.
Good luck.
The one.
Good try.
Okay. So we create a thing. We have title, price, URL, description. We do also need image. And how do you get? This is the part where you actually have to go to the Livewire docs and learn how to store an image.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you know?
Image upload. So you validate it, okay, and then you get it. No, that's how you test it. You store it, and then how do you put it in your database, folks?
Put verbs in your database.
Oh God, this is miserable. The documentation doesn't show you how to save a file, folks. It just shows you to store it. Okay. File upload.
Yeah, that is actually, I do remember this being a failing of your docs where you just like cop out and say, go read the Laravel docs.
I know. I could hear myself saying that to myself when I was writing it. It's like, no, this is just Laravel. Just you just know how to use Laravel, right? File storage. I mean, this is the same problem with Laravel. Let's try this.
Spatie Media Library. Here we go.
Okay, so you get path, and that's what you do, huh?
Yeah.
So you say,
path.
And then we DD this because we just don't trust it. Oh, but this is only if...
Wait. What is data image? I'm sorry. What is $data image?
Oh, it's left over here.
Okay, so can we just...
What is happening?
Sorry, I'm hearing Stauffer in my head. I clicked. My bad.
Oh, because it has to store it, and then it has the thing.
Yeah, so I'm hearing Stauffer in my head telling me get rid of the temporary variable.
Get rid of this? Oh, and just
get rid
do
of
it
just say this image store arrow public.
No, but I think... But then you're accessing a temporary variable of... I don't know. I honestly think this is the move.
You think?
No, I'm not sure.
Is it not? Here, go back. Let me just try it.
Let's just see.
All right. Well.
Oh, so you store it and it gives you the path.
Yeah. Correct.
There. This is the way.
Well, and you're so close, buddy. But the thing that you want, just give me that. Yep. All right. Cool. Thanks. The thing that you want is this question mark right here, and it's good. And then path, right?
No, don't even need it. It
you don't even need path?
Okay,
Sick.
we
All
can
right,
do
we're
it.
in.
You know, if you want to be terse about it, we could do it.
Well, you know, I was beaten into a state of reasonableness by a guy named Matt Stauffer.
I felt like the thing I had was actually more Matt Stauffer.
No.
Yeah, a discrete conditional.
95% of the pull request comments I got from Stauffer in my first year were, "You don't need this temporary variable. Remove the temporary variable."
Yeah, you know, I'm not a full-on temporary variable hater.
Yeah.
I like a nice conditional. You know what? All right, I'll give you this one, Daniel. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so then we reset it, and then we say whatever. We're not sure yet, so we say done, because we'll probably end up like closing a modal or something.
Sure.
Well, this is actually a good thing, because we're gonna like run into stuff that we're gonna be like, we need a better way to do this. Okay, so this doesn't work.
What doesn't work? Unable to locate class or view for what?
Oh, it's just doing stuff. It's had its way with our file.
Okay, I gotta make my move in my chess game right now.
Dude, Daniel, this is the most Daniel thing right now, folks. Image isn't required, so why does it feel like it's required? Daniel's the type of stream partner who ignores the chat almost entirely, and then we'll just play chess on his phone.
Flux alert isn't a thing, according to Josh Hanley.
I agree, Victor. Hey, I think we emailed back and forth a little bit, Victor. So, Daniel, image is required?
Is it?
What?
Did you just make it required?
No.
We're on the same page on tabs versus spaces, right?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Why is
the only one who's not is...
the image field must be an image.
Go.
Oh, because it's null.
It's nullable. What's the difference between sometimes and nullable?
Well, that didn't work, so I actually don't know.
Okay, you're gonna have to do it for all the other ones too.
Again, you know, haven't written an app in a decade. Don't know how Laravel works. Don't know how to write Laravel. Okay, so we have a form, Daniel.
Yeah, we do.
All right. So we do it. Should we create the things list thing?
Yep.
So let's say thing list, and then artisan make Livewire thing list. Okay.
And then let's just go to our database seeder and seed 10 things.
Yep. I think hopefully it's been done. Oh.
Nope. Also the things belong to a list.
Yeah, we didn't get there yet.
Okay.
We're gonna have to do that. All right. So we made some things, and now here we're gonna show the things in a list. So flux heading things.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
I'm thinking it's gonna need to be a many to many between things and lists.
This is crazy. You suck so bad. Oh no. Okay. I'm sorry.
I don't suck that bad.
No. Okay.
Okay, so I think it should be thing title and price on
Flux
one
image
line.
doesn't exist, of course.
Or thing title and then price is the subheading.
Okay.
Yep.
Things.
Ooh.
Boom.
All right. Okay.
Baby.
Price is a subheading.
We're confident that I know a little Livewire. Josh is just continuing with the hurt. Okay. Well, first things first.
Wait, Siri, listen. You can't give Hanley credit for computer properties. It's just the right way to write Livewire. Don't say Josh's computer stuff is rubbing off on Caleb. Like, this is the only way to write Livewire.
This is called Josh's computed stuff now?
Yeah, what the hell? That's what I'm saying.
Is Josh running around?
Yeah, saying that computer properties are his thing.
And that Caleb hates computed properties?
Yeah. Oh, Caleb actually... Oh, right, yeah. Caleb actually hates computer properties. He says you should store models as a property on your component. In the mount method, you want to look it up.
That is way better than my Australian accent. And I do my Australian accent for Josh Hanley every single day. And he can attest to that. And it gets worse every day. Every day. Might.
Thank you.
That's really good, Daniel. 10 points, Daniel. See, you know how you know is he probably didn't even hear it, you know?
Yeah.
On ya.
On ya.
On ya. Good on ya. On ya. Bye.
Sweet as.
Happy as. Sweet as. Nice ass.
Hey, nice ass.
That's in New York, we just say sweet ass.
Sweet ass.
Sweet ass. Oh, okay. So we should add a new button and put that thing in a modal to like tie this together, and then we can keep kind of working, right? Just kind of get the feel going. Sweet as kiwi.
Sweet as is kiwi. No,
sweet as is kiwi. Bluey.
How are you, buddy?
Yeah, Bluey.
Look at this boy touching my arm, saying, "Hey."
Hi, Max, pup.
Buddy.
You're a pup.
Buddy.
You're just a boy pup.
You're just a boy pup.
All right. So here we got Flux button, create thing, wire click, create thing.
Mm-hmm. So I think it would be add thing.
Would you?
Yeah, I'd think that.
Yeah. For the UI. For dang sure. Okay, you know what? We'll do it here too. Let's do it. Okay, so now we want to open a modal. So we say public show ad. Sure, maybe. Show ad modal. Be public like real crazy.
Ad. Show form.
Show form. Show ad modal. Show ad form. Show
create. Show fly out. Maybe just be real.
Let's be real. Just real.
About it. Yeah.
Never written a with function. Never heard of it. Hardly know her. Okay, so we show fly out is true. And that's just what we do. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to add ourselves a modal with the form thing in it. So let's say flux modal. Let's go to the modal here. Whoops. Modal. Modal mate. Fly out mate.
Modal mate.
Modal mate. Fly out. Flaw. That's how an Australian should say it. Oh, so this we can just, right. We don't need the toot and state. Add thing. Add thing. Name is add thing. And this is just sitting, chilling, ready to go. And then here we go. Yoink. We'll do this, mate.
Mate.
Happy as, mate. And then in here we say Livewire. And now this pages situation, let's instead do, let's say artisan make Livewire thing. This will be a test if this thing works. Daniel's playing chess, by the way, everybody. Thing.create. I'm doing create. We're crudding it.
Yeah.
And then let's just take this whole bit and let's just get that dingo right on it.
Get that dingo on the road.
Get that dingo on the road, rod, the rod mate. Thing create. All right. Think this thing works? We got to change this name. Add thing mate. All right, check it out. Works like a dog, dude.
Creating a thing.
Works like a dog.
Or it does work like a dog. That's true.
I kind of think it should be a little bit bigger, you know?
Sure, yeah. 2XL? Huge XL?
I don't know what we're dealing with here, to be honest.
Because, yeah.
There we go.
It's fine. That'll do fine.
That's a fly hat. No, that's a fly hat. Okay.
It's full. Josh says with full.
This is going to be variant primary. You could tell. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, with full. So we got to apply a fly hat.
Okay.
Okay. Should we test this?
I'm gonna be honest. Not super psyched with how this looks right now.
Oh, the left part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
All right.
All right.
All right. Well, don't you want to get it working, D. Cole, bud?
Sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
D. Cole. So thing create round here.
Yep.
So now we're actually into the deep here. Maybe not.
Rolling in the deep.
Rolling in the deep. So we're done with this, and now we dispatch.
Now we dispatch a thing created.
Created. Okay, and then right up there.
You don't want to pass the thing along.
At created, we say
refresh.
Show.
Just unset this things.
We say added. Would you say?
Sure.
And then we set that to false.
Did you just remove the add method though?
I did. We don't need it. We're just triggering the modal. Real time, baby.
Right, yeah.
Yoink. So we hit create, fail. My thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that worked. Whomever, it did not do the other bit here.
Don't you just do an on created on that thing? Like I wouldn't do the at created that way. I would just put an on attribute on the added method.
On the added method.
Yeah, like right here.
Oh.
I would just do on created.
Well, yeah. I would rather see it like right here because this is where it gets dispatched from, you know? Yeah. Josh Hanley, why doesn't this work?
I just don't like to look in my markup for behavior, you know?
Yeah, but the markup is dispatching an event, you know? There's a time and a place, Daniel, for... Josh Hanley.
It's 10:20 p.m. at 11:20 p.m. at his house.
Josh Hanley? No way. He's getting up. That's bright and early.
It's Hugo. Yeah, it's brand new Hanley right now. Hanley says should work.
Oh, I know why. We didn't bind the state of show flyout to this.
Oh, yeah.
So my other thing, there we go. Added it and it showed up.
Great. Wait, are you unsetting or is that happening live? How's that happening?
Within the form I unset.
Oh, you unset within the form.
Yes. So then I can just...
How? Where?
Just a reset, bud.
No, I mean like your computer property seems to be updated. Your things list.
That's the magic of a computed property, mate. It's just going to rerun, you know?
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we have this. Now we can make this look nicer, I suppose. So how do we make it look nicer, Daniel? Is there anything in Flux we can just grab? We need Flux to do this better.
I would think Flux heading for the title, Flux subheading for the price, image in a little rounded avatar square off on the right.
Okay. All right. So we have our thing here.
Yeah. So heading not size XL, just regular old size.
Yep, just regular heading. Stop with your props, AI. This is we built this to just look nice, AI.
Yeah, Flux heading and then Flux subheading for price, I think.
So you want it below it or like far off to the right, maybe? Or like next to it?
No, I'm thinking the image is going to take off the right.
Okay. Yeah. But we wouldn't go like, let's do this. Let's do div flex justify between.
Mm-hmm.
And then here we have flux text price. mate.
Cool. Put a dollar sign in front of that baby.
And then description. Well, they might add one, you know? I don't know.
Well, they'll learn not to pretty quickly.
What if it's in euros?
Well,
we're really in it now.
We're asking them to convert to the universal currency of dollars.
I'm not doing it.
Bitcoin?
It's going to be, the stretch goal is supporting recurring, non-recurring, euros, dollars, type, increment of recurring. Price.
Oh, dollar. Yeah, what if it's in loonies and toonies?
Right. No, if it's like month or year, you know?
Yep.
URL is a link.
Right. I think URL should be a link icon that is clickable.
Yeah. And that's at the farthest of the right.
Flux square ghost button link icon. No text.
Okay. So Flux.
Variant ghost.
Variant ghost square. It'll
icon.
make it square if icon is the only thing. And is it called link? It's probably not or something.
No. Hang on, I'll open the thing. I'm sorry, I'm bad at this. Heroicons.
Did you look at the chat ever?
No, I don't look at the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, link. Link is something.
Oh yeah, baby, look at that. We're cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Size that down, right? Pot right.
Pot right. Actually, do arrow top right, arrow dash top dash right dash on dash square. Yeah, that one.
All right. And these aren't aligned, so
that should be text small and italic.
Text small and italic. The price?
Yeah. No. All right, at least text small.
It is. I tell you.
It's bigger than the title, though, right?
Is it? Oh, it might be. Oh, isn't that a bummer?
Text XS, then, I guess?
No, she's 14 and she's 14.
Oh, all right. All right, let's do an items center on this baby.
Yeah, why is this? That's what we need, right? Yeah. This is how to design shittily in Tailwind.
All right, cool.
Let's do. Okay, we're almost there here. This is going to be a what do we call it? Inset.
Yep.
We'll say top, bottom, right. Doesn't even have to be right if we don't want it to. But this way we don't have that weirdness here. And then this, we do a gap 2 or whatever, space Y2.
Space Y. Oh, space Y2, yeah.
So there we go. I mean, this is just beautiful.
Yeah, I was about to say 3. Everything's 3 in Flux, right?
No. Okay, so what if it's in dollary dues? This guy fluxes. Oh man, a lot of Josh Hanley in the chat. A lot of Joshes galore.
Now image. If there is an image, I think it should go right here.
Oh, do you?
And then these things just like truncate right here.
Oh, like the price shoots over?
Yeah. Like I think this whole thing is just in a box, which may not be full width.
All right, let's see if we even built the image thing to work.
Right, that's a good point.
You know?
Yeah.
So, image.
Take a screenshot of your desktop background.
It should just be path. Oh, I don't know. DD. Wait. I don't know, dude.
I'm so bad at files, dude.
Yeah. This is
no one's good at it.
Picture of Daniel's
I'll say that.
Head here.
If anyone's good at it, it's like someone like I don't know, Bathman maybe.
No one knows how to file.
Oh, what an image!
What an image! This is a better one though.
What? What is that? The grip.
Cool hat. Price $20.
Well, put a $sign in that. They might put anything in there.
Get your hat, yeah. Okay, ready? Create. Cool hat, man.
All right.
Well,
if we might need to do some stuff with that.
Right.
It's the escape. It's just exclamation points.
Yeah, just allow some, some quick
injection.
Oh yeah, see that? That's it. What? Oh, because I'm DDing. Thing description. No, whatever. Echo. Thing. Image. Refresh. So it's in. Whoops. It's in things. And then this PNG, and I feel like, don't you have to like symlink your public thing?
Link. Yeah, artisan storage link.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Should I just, do you know, should I look at this?
Go ahead and run artisan storage link.
Okay.
And then let's go look at your public directory.
Okay. Storage app public, perfect. Public storage. So now we can say image asset.
That might be right.
No way.
Let's find out.
Good on ya. No.
Where's cool hat?
Slash storage. No, it's slash.
Well, no, those are all the seeded ones, though. Where's cool hat?
What did it do? It's in public storage. Oh, it is.
Can we look at? We didn't see the one that would actually be real, though.
Oh, baby.
Right there. It's there.
Dan Cole. I like it.
Let's do latest first on this list so that we don't have to keep scrolling to the bottom.
We shall.
Things latest yet.
Okay.
There we go.
Cool hat, ya.
Cool hat, ya.
Dude, the image below is not bad, would you say? I don't know. Kind of bad?
Well, in this case, it's because we called the product the thing that was in the top 10% of the image, so it's not bad. But I think the image should be square, and I think it should be on the right, but I could be wrong.
The problem is then this stuff's all like awkwardly pushed over, as is the description, you know? Feels a little weird to me.
I mean, I think it's better than on the left, and if it's square...
Chat, design this for me. Object cover to the image. No way. Is Hugo in here? Yeah, Hugo. Where's Hugo? Who are you calling awkward, Mark? I feel like we're polished. Would you say, Daniel?
Yeah, we're really polished.
Top. Oh, it should just be at the top. I don't know, dude. I don't know where to put this image. We'll just put it in a circle for now because we're just trying to move on with our lives. Width full, object cover, size. I guess we got to put this in a div so that we can
Get rid of the width full, I think.
I think we might need that because we'll make this be the thing that's like size 20, rounded, full, overflow, hidden. Border.
Yep.
Okay. See, now that is really nice.
Yep.
All right. Well, okay. So this looks pretty good. Would you say, Daniel?
I would. There might be like a positioning thing for the image.
No, I took it like that.
Okay, cool.
We need to make it so that it's way faster to make a Flux app. Right? So like the starter kit would have got us a lot farther, a lot quicker, for sure. Mm-hmm. But then like AI just falling over itself constantly is a problem. That's one problem. another problem is there's nowhere in Flux to go to get like inspiration for just lists of things like this. Like the form was really quick because it was just like Flux text, Flux description, or whatever. And then this is like, well, you just got to make it yourself. You know?
Yeah.
Like Tailwind UI.
I mean, I know how I would want to design it, but...
Oh, Mark is correcting me on my assumption that he was just radically insulting. So if you make it a square, then everything becomes awkward. And then I made it a square. Yeah, Josh, wouldn't that be nice? Do you see his reply?
Yeah.
We should install Boost. Like, I've literally never even used it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Should we try it?
Sure.
It's funny how this works, you know? Okay, so you just do this, and then you do this, and then you have to put stuff in.
No, everything's in.
Keys and stuff? Like...
Everything's in.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Boost me.
Boost me. Hey, Max. No. Buddy. Come here.
Boost ma. All right, now we boost install. Which code editors do you use to work on Laravel? I use those. I do. Yes. So, which agents need AI guidelines for Laravel? Those are the two.
Code, basically, right? Yeah.
I use Cursor as well.
Use Cursor.
Wow.
You're in.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me. Let's just look
I'm
at
not
this
trying
and
to
see
tell
what
you
they want to
shit.
do. I'm going to say, okay. So you're telling me that now everything is just like boosting.
We're boosting.
So if I say, how do we test it? What's the test? Do we need to add something?
I would say like ask it to make our thing list look better and look at the Flux docs and use any Flux components it thinks it should use.
And now we got Siri on here.
Let's see it.
Siri baby, do I have to like set it to use the MCP servers, or it's just literally...
Oh, he said you might need to restart.
Oh, get off. Don't do anything bad. Let's whip this.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Anytime I let the
For
AI go, I'm
just
like,
fucking...
wait, better commit first.
So, okay, he says I should restart Cursor.
Restart. Let's just go ahead and restart Cursor.
Okay. Quit ya. Let me just quit like 50 projects and reopen them all.
All right. It will let you know when it's trying to use an MCP tool.
So I'm going to do this.
And
I'm going to hit go. And now... Tool.
Yeah, tool, MCP Laravel boost.
Tool. It's tooling.
Searching. Oh, wait. It didn't find the docs. Try enabling the... Wait, what is this saying?
The what?
Oh, we have to...
Siri, baby.
Stop it. Oh, no, it updated something.
Well, we'll just right out of that.
Okay. What is this? Can we... Agent ask, how do we enable the MCP server? Do Command-Shift-P and type MCP. Open MCP settings. Laravel boost disabled. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking.
We're cooking. All right, let's try this again, huh? Boom, baby. Yeah, Josh Siri, can you put a to-do list? Make a to-do list, Josh Siri. Can you go make this happen?
Calling MCPs over. Called search docs.
Ah.
Pop that open. See what it did.
It's looking for, yeah, it's going to look for components where Flux is very strong on like formy stuff and weak on like display stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Called application info. This is very interesting. Boost, baby. Boosted. Two tools.
All right, let's go see how it looks.
For most things. Okay, boost. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that.
Did you not stop running npm because you quit Cursor?
Yeah. All right, run it back.
Oh,
interesting. Better than what we did for Danger.
I mean, it's a decision.
It's definitely better. Would you say, mate?
It's got a search. Does the search work?
That would be crazy. Cool hatcha.
Oh my god.
The search works. Pretty fun.
Yeah, I like it.
Pretty commune.
Okay, image definitely needs to be rounded.
Let me artisan migrate fresh, because I just can't stand to see those seeded things, you know. Ooh. This is fun.
Gave us an empty state.
Dude.
You know what I hate, Caleb, is that we have a sidebar. Because we have nothing deserving a sidebar.
Yeah, but then this is where all your like lists are going to be. Daniel, I could just display none it. Would that make you happier? Then it would just span the full width. Daniel, just go with me here, Daniel.
Okay, do your thing.
Add your first thing. This is fun. I'm having fun, Daniel.
Yeah, we're having a
Daniel's hat.
Uh-huh.
Drop and browse. Wait, just for fun. Yoink. Price. It's going up every day.
I think it was like $19 at Uniqlo. See if I can find you a link. Got a link for you here.
Okay. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Now that's interesting. Daniel's hat.
It knew that you should do this.
You know, she's got a little bit of a struggle with a couple things.
Yeah.
But I'm just like excited that
the zoom is really interesting.
Can you read the chat, Daniel?
Oh yeah, sorry. Just reading chat. My bad. What's the chat saying?
I don't know.
Almost like we need a fully collapsible sidebar.
What?
Says
Josh
Hanley.
Oh, Josh. We're going to make Daniel happy, huh? Where is that darn dear sidebar?
Sidebar, right there.
We just add
collapsible. Ask the robot to do it.
Ah, yes. Yes. Good. Make our sidebar in our layout app collapsible. I'm already telling it too much, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Search docs. Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Wait. Show me what you've done.
Guess who's coming to Philly tomorrow?
Justin Bieber.
Ian Landsman. And we're
no
playing
kidding.
Poker.
Hey, sweet.
Big poker weekend for the boys.
Nice. Whoops. Okay. So, Dan Cole. Yoink.
Oh my god, dude.
Shabaloo.
might fucking cream my jeans on that
one. Next thing, Daniel's creamed jeans. So gross, dude. We got to get rid of this piece. This is a struggle. It's struggling.
It should go at the top of the sidebar, TBH.
This stuff should only be added mobily, and it's... You messed up. You messed up. Yeah, little AI, you did something here, okay?
Yeah, well, tell it what it did. Tell it did some weird shit. See if it can fix its own mess. We don't want the toggle on mobile. We don't want the profile top right on mobile, or except on mobile. You know what I mean?
Think you did too much. Probably all you need to do is make the thing collapsible prop. We need that LG hidden stuff for header and whatnot for mobile, bro. Yeah, Josh, don't walk back. Boost. We know, Josh Siri. Josh Siri. Boost is cool. So good job making Boost, Josh Siri. Well, that went away.
Huh.
Literally, watch this. I'm gonna freaking remove all of this and go back to this. Layouts, app, blade. Just undo all. Just stop. Just be done. It already says collapsible. Oh my gall.
It was collapsible this whole time?
That's hilarious.
Okay. Cool.
Still broken, but no, dude, something's wrong here. This is like, we're in the time-space continuum. Get out of here.
What's the other thing? What's the other file that has edits also?
It's just collapsible mobile, right? Now it's just collapsible in general, and now we're good because AI.
Hey, that worked before.
This is just wild, man.
Huh.
Works like a doll.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Miguel, how's your back going? Well, my neck is the thing with the big problems, and this is why it has problems.
My neck, my back.
Because of this. Daniel's the one with the bad back. I got the bad neck. Right, Daniel?
I'm more neck now.
Yeah, we're the neck boys. This is the headrest that you're supposed to use to be ergo. You just slouch, and then you just stick your head right here. Okay, Daniel, so now we're checking in here. Well, AI wrote a lot of slop, I'm sure, to get this going, even a little, so that's a lot of slop. But, I mean, we got a thing where you can add a thing. So maybe we just cap this off with, like, what do we do with this?
Well, so I think that we don't have any, like, view other people's lists stuff.
Right.
You know?
So if we, like, build all that, what do we ship to people? You know?
I think we delete this whole form and say that's the fun part. Go build the form.
You build the form, but that's like 5 minutes.
Go build the right side of this. Like, we'll build the read side and like the data model.
Isn't that just like an hour maximum worth of work?
Yeah, unless you do it well.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because like if
this
I'm
is kind of
this is what we're doing right now is
what about first is like what part of this should we ship to people? You know?
Yeah.
And you're kind of like, yeah, let's just build it all and then figure it out.
Well, so if you're saying we should have just not built anything on this stream and just instead said we should let other people
build the data model and said like, this is the app, now build a UI for it, you know?
So the thing to do, the thing to ship, Daniel, I won't lay down on that, Daniel.
Okay. Talk to me.
I think we may have to strip it back and just ship what the data model is, but I did want to like,
get there,
work out like what is this and what would it be like for to simulate what somebody's doing when they sit down to do it,
Yeah, so I think the data model and then probably some tests for the data model and then probably a README.
And maybe just like we could even create the base page or two, maybe like just the routes and the component, and it's like you're kind of just set up here now. You just do your thing.
Yeah, like I wouldn't mind like making a seeder that seeds some lists and then like
that has like nice
making the like
stuff,
making like the list show page.
Yeah.
So we're like, hey, like here's a list.
Yep.
So and then, and like we could obviously, because we're fun.
Yeah, this is for Hack Day, Ryan.
Because we're fun and funny, we could like make the lists fun and funny.
Right.
And the contents of the lists fun and funny.
Yep. Okay, so the real like work here, the thing to ship is eloquent models and like
maybe a show page.
A show page and eloquent models. So a pre-seed, that's actually a good model for this, is like a pre-seeded setup. So like all the data is all rigged up for the whole thing. And then like one read page just to like set the tone and to like, so that people can see that like the data actually works and view it and whatever. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. I think, we spec'd out what would be done for one thing. It is going to be like an annoying amount of work. Like how many of these things, like we could do one of these well.
And we talked about like farming some of this out, right? And asking folks to set up repos.
Right.
For some of these ideas. Right. And so I think if we make one that's really good and we say like, here's an example of what a good repo for this would look like.
Yeah.
And we give it a README that says like, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to like build this app. Here's the, here's the 2 commands to get it running. Here is the URL to the existing show page. And like, you need to make a form and maybe a search component or something.
Yep. And then how many, the farming out is like, who's going to do it and how well are they going to do it? And then are we going to use what they do? I'm like not bullish on that, Unless
it's just a question of like, do we write the instructions for doing it well?
For doing what? Creating a prompt well, or
creating like one of these prompt repos? Because I think that if we are right, that basically what you should do is create the data model, like the eloquent models, and a show page.
Yeah.
And leave all like interactive elements unbuilt. Right?
Yeah.
I think that that's like a decent, and then obviously all of these repos have Flux installed, have Livewire 4 installed.
Right. Yeah.
And then you need a README of like, here's how the data model works.
I feel like we should make 3 ourselves.
I'm fine with that.
And like this one, so if we're just making data, even like bare minimum, we make data and even like provide like a wireframe or whatever, like if we can't make it to do like a nice show page. But let's say eloquent models and a scaffolded app with eloquent models is like kind of the minimum with a README.
And seeders.
And what?
Seeders.
And seeders, right. So right, they should do form and maybe a detail page with like comments. Yeah, right. You can do form. Yeah, you click on one, you get the detail page, and then you could comment on it and talk about it. That's a thing that totally could drive out a lot. Like there's another world where this is the app, and it's just like, how balls to the wall can you make this one thing? And like everybody can just like iterate on it or do like, I don't know, I'm going to add image cropping to the image or something. But yeah, so like if this is kind of like an appy app, then maybe we have like a game one. And then is there a third? I mean, there's like, I don't know, you know? But I feel like if we're going to do multiple, we do 3 because 3 is a good number and it's a manageable thing for us. Like we could pull off 3.
I think things is great. This is like a really good one.
Yeah.
I think Rolodex is interesting.
Yeah,
it might be too similar to this.
It feels like, right, like we want to exercise complete, like this will be the, do you want to exercise your app chops, you know?
Yeah. And I want to do
games like, do you want something funky? And then what's the mystery one?
Go back to the list real quick. ChatGPT.
Yeah, I mean that would exercise a completely different type of thing, streaming, you know.
Yeah. So there's like
AI streaming
CRUD
stuff.
app, which is the thing that we just built. Then there's ChatGPT, which is like totally different set of skills.
You know what I want somebody to build? Like kind of not forget about this concept even, just what I think would be a great thing to put out into the world and have people come back with ideas and things is like a making AI really good at Flux. Like being able to say, maybe it's an app, maybe it's whatever it is, being able for me to just be like, the prompt is, I want to type in somewhere, make me a page with blah, 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 like V0 kind of. And it just does it all and makes it and whatever, you know, it'd be really free form and it'd be tough. And I don't know, but it is something that like would be fun to like really sink your teeth into. I don't know. Maybe it's
what would it mean for the AI to be good at Flux?
Yeah, it would be like it knows all of Flux's APIs and stuff, and it also has a lot of opinions. It would need a lot of examples. So yeah, maybe it's not the best. It would need a ton of examples for it to be like trained on to reference.
And that, honestly, maybe all it is it's an example library that can be fed into Boost.
Right. But like somebody's not like that. The thing for the day is not to sit there and make like polished Flux examples all day. Like that's not something I think
could be.
You think so? I mean, yeah. I mean, it could just,
if there's a certain type of nerds who want to group up and make polished Flux examples, then that's cool.
True. Yep. I feel like, yeah, there's, so we got the app, like that's this, and we fleshed this out, and this is like flex your app skills. Then there's potentially game, potentially streaming. But yeah, I feel like there's something, I feel like if I'm sitting there for a day, here's a thought. I would want a really small scope that's like big. Like I would want like build like FilePond, you know, or like build something like that, you know. That I could just sit there and make like a Flux component that's crazy or something. Or a block text editor or Battlesnake in Alpine or something, you know? You thinking or you blanking out here, bud?
I'm thinking. I'm just thinking about like what meets those qualifications, you know?
Right. I mean, it could be vague. Like it could be make the craziest, I don't know, but like what would people even make?
What are the things that people ask for in Flux that you're like, no, it's a pain in the ass later, maybe?
There's fewer and fewer of them. I just said that to image cropping.
Keep doing them.
Yeah.
Image cropping?
Yeah.
Oh, well, then that's an easy one. Build an image cropping component for Flux.
Yeah.
Put that on the list. Maybe components is like a separate chunk.
Right. Yeah.
What about like real-time collaborative text editing, like Google Docs style?
Yep. page builder, like, form builder or something. Whoa. Yeah. And it's like a lot, the fun to be had. It's like, if I were to sit down and make like a Flux builder or something where it's an interactive thing where I say like Flux make or something, and then it goes like, what kind of thing do you want? It's like, oh, I want a table. And it's like, well, what are the rows? What are the columns? You know what I mean? Like something like that. Yeah. Those are the types of things that would be fun to like build a package,
What about like multiple wrappers around file uploads that like use browser APIs to generate the files? So I'm thinking an audio recorder. I'm thinking something that uses the webcam to take a selfie.
Cool. Yeah.
And then like generate the files. And then, so maybe it's like a plug-in system for file uploads. And then like, these are like wrappers around it that like let you generate files in some way. Selfies, audio recorder.
Yeah, it could be like soup up an existing Flux component, and then another one could be like editor, real-time collaborative text editing, drag and drop, image uploads, port, at handle, autocomplete.
Oh, dude, yes.
Could be sweet for like
that. Could be so sweet.
This could be for like the more like capable internally type folks that really want to like hack on something. Could just bite off something here and just spend the day.
Dude, the at handle stuff is honestly like so valuable.
Oh, yeah, QR code reader.
Yeah.
Yeah, the at handle
thing. The at handle stuff is like insanely valuable.
Conference GIF booth. API consumer visualizer, yeah. So so maybe the three things is there's like work on an app, work on a game, or work on a component.
Yes.
That's a nice like triple. There's work on an app, game, component.
Ooh, Isaac just said that
nice.
Did in Flux Editor with TipTap's mention extension.
Hope you're coming to Wire Live, Isaac.
Isaac, you coming? I'm about to search Luma.
Search Luma. Riley Mao. Pull up Isaac. Pull up Luma. Oh, he wishes.
Jamie, do we have Isaac? Jamie, pull up Isaac.
Jamie, pull up Isaac. Copy paste. Yeah, Isaac will just twiddle his thumbs on day 2. Isaac, you live in the U.S.? Next question. No, do you live on the East Coast? We're out here door to door.
107 guests right now, Caleb.
Well, he lives in Colorado. Well, I just flew to Colorado, so...
Yeah, I've been there before.
You owe us one. Now you fly to Buffalo. There's direct flights from Frontier. Really cheap. Yeah, no excuses, Isaac.
Just bought 6 tickets 2 hours ago.
What?
They're coming in hot, Caleb.
Oh, baby. Are we allowed to open Luma on stream, or is it doxing?
I think we'd be doxing people.
Yeah. Well, I could do this, and it won't show. It'll just show the number. 107.
107.
That number's climbing, and with Isaac, that's 8. He might even bring his coworkers.
Yeah, that's true. It's a great point.
Isaac's coming.
Isaac's coming. Jump on a course, he's coming.
Yeah.
That's a great win.
I know. And he's like a bigger Buffalo Wing fan than me.
Oh, Jacob Davis is coming.
Dude, somebody needs to reimburse Jacob Davis.
Oh, wait, he paid.
Yeah.
God.
That's why the reimburse Jacob is on the to-do list.
Jacob, why did you pay?
I thought that was so funny. It came in at like 4 p.m. Jacob Davis bought a ticket and paid full price. For those who don't know, Jacob works with Daniel and built the site and is like an organizer in essence, and he bought his own ticket.
Bought his own ticket. Like, come on, dude. It's like, what are you doing?
Jacob, he's so sweet. Such a
Sweet
good guy.
Jacob.
Okay, you asked me at Laracon if I'd come to a live. No way. That's so funny. And I said I would.
Get wrecked.
So you have to, for real, actually.
Yeah, now you're stuck. Well, that's
You
what you get.
said.
You already said you were going to, so whatever.
I don't see why timeline matters, right?
Yeah, timeline is not even an issue.
Like, what do you have? October 28th.
Yeah, like what?
Jamie, pull up what Isaac has October 28th.
Maxwell, hey.
Who else is in this chat that this dwindling stream of people
This dog is
who
just
aren't
growling
coming
out
that
the
we're going to
window.
force to come? Okay, Daniel, I think this is a good start. I think we should end the stream, and then I think we should stream
sure.
again
Max is really
and
excited.
do like another
Next
push.
week.
Yeah, because we don't want to work on this alone anyway. Like
Nope.
we don't need another thing to do, so this will be a good little thing.
Yeah, and we meant to stream on Wednesday this week, but then I accidentally pulled an all-nighter, and so then we couldn't do Wednesday. But I think next Wednesday we could totally do it.
Ah, God's will. Are you coming?
Inshallah.
Let's go.
Which
Does that
means,
mean God's
if
will?
God wills it. If God wills it, yes. It was a good little it's a good joke.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I figured it was that. I figured, Danny would know.
Yeah.
I
All right,
love
this
it.
has been a great stream.
Okay, Josh, are you coming?
He's coming. He's speaking.
I joke. We laugh, we joke. Okay, good stream. Thanks everybody for hanging out. We did some work.
Get out of here.
And yeah. So
Good stuff.
I'm gonna end this.
Oh,
here.
Charlotte just texted me pizza. I forgot I bought a pizza during the stream. All right, cool. Goodbye.